Hi, Brandon from Tenshon here. I'm going to share with you a few tips that'll help you avoid some common mistakes that people make when installing a shade sail for the first time. Let's take a look. Tensioning hardware works best when properly lubricated. We recommend using white lithium grease. It comes in a spray and a paste. We recommend the paste. A properly lubricated turnbuckle won't bind or seize, and it'll save you a lot of headaches, so make sure to get proper lubrication. This is a come-along. A come-along is an invaluable tool for installing shade sails. Now you can buy this at the local hardware store, but if you really want an effective come-along, it'll have to be modified. We have a whole video dedicated to just that topic on our website, and it's definitely worth watching. All of the shade sails we manufacture here at Tenshon have a perimeter pocket that accommodates a wire rope. Wire rope is important because it transfers load from the corners of the sail to the entire perimeter. Using wire rope makes your sail look and function much better. Now it's important to leave your wire rope clamps loose until all of your corners are attached. Once all your corners are attached to their anchor points, then tighten down your wire rope clamps before tightening down your tensioning hardware. At Tenshon, we love using turnbuckles, but we really love using pulleys. No grease, no tools, and they're super easy. If you're looking for an easy up, easy down solution, pulleys is definitely the answer. It's important that your hardware always matches your sail. Turnbuckles work great for smaller sails, but large sails need bigger hardware. We recommend using a commercial bracket. It'll hold up to the added stress of a larger sail and looks great doing it. Hopefully these tips are helpful and make your install run much smoother. If you want to learn more, go to our website tenshon.com and check out our full library of install videos. You won't be disappointed.